Alright guys, stopping by at the boss and Janet's, and as usual, Janet lays a feast on the table. What's it got on it? Turkey and cranberry and
cream cheese and Havarti regular cheese.
So tell YouTube how you guys been, huh?
We've been fantastic.
Fantastico. Janet's looking good. The boss is looking good. And in a little bit, we're going to head out and take Zoe for a little bit of a walk. And you guys along? Oh, are you going to go bye-bye? Oh, yeah, they smell kind of weird, huh? You got your dog doodaloo bag there.
Yeah.
So
They hide the smell of the poop, too.
You going to go make it stinky? Huh? You going to go make it stinky?
Go bye-bye?
Huh?
You go
bye-bye? Let's hit the road, Jack. You don't have to wonder why Travis Air Force Base is located right behind me over here. It is always hella windy here down in the Fairfield area. Let's go get that dog. There's the Zoey. You going bye-bye? Huh? Happy. The little kid is happy, huh, Zoe? You going bye-bye?
She's tall.
Riding high in the saddle. There's a picture you thought you'd never see, the soft side of the boss there with walking a dog. Never in all my 10 years of knowing the boss did I ever figure I'd see this scene, huh? Give a smile, boss. Are you happy? No. She's Janet, she's always looking around to make sure you're like really close by right there. She's like a homebody.
She likes her mom.
Like I said, I was saying while you were inside, I never imagined 10 years knowing the boss I'd ever see him in such a domesticated scene walking a dog. They're all nice here. I'll trade you. Beautiful.
They're a little bit quieter.
Yeah, very quiet. Very quiet. Yep, bringing the content.
They got the one over there in San Rafael area.
Yep.
That's the newer one, I think.
Big fires. See the air quality. It's a little bit smoky, yeah. Definitely Janet's dog. Don't make any mistake about that. That dog wouldn't even, the first month, that dog wouldn't go near the boss, right? He'd be hiding.
Bark at him?
Bark at him, yeah. Janet, I know how much you missed being on my videos all these years, right? Water break. This is kind of a cool thing that Janet bought. This thing holds the water like that. That's pretty cool.
It's her little portable dish.
You're a good mom. Most of the time. Yeah, some of the time. Yeah, that's right. Take care of the two babies there. Janet and I used to walk up, we'd do the moonshining and the head up to the chicken dick, right?
That's it.
Those glory days on the rancho. Moonshining mama.
Walking to the corner for the chicken.
Janet Field, the true Okie. There's some of the beautiful view you get from
With smoke.
the neighborhood here. Yeah, you can see a little bit of smoke up there, but wow, what a beautiful view.
It's our walks like every night.
That's nice. But autumn's going to be here before you know it.
The gates are right there to get in, and the road goes along the side of that top of that little ridge right there. And I think the water is just on the other side.
Yeah, it's got to be some kind of impounded water up there with cattle and all that. Thanks for being along today, everybody. Catching up with the boss and with Janet. Thank you, Janet, for a nice lunch there. Boss looking good. And Zoe, keep on keeping on. So great hospitality. Good to see the boss and Janet get caught up. And what do we do, 2.5 miles today?
At least. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, everybody.